Welcome to my channel eCreators. So, if you want to enroll yourself regarding any type of courses, or if you want any kind of free career counseling, then you can contact on these numbers. Even you can directly contact by visiting on this address. Yes, online classes are also available here, and offline classes is going on. So if you want to proceed with your bright future, then please contact with us. So we are on a tele journey. So let's start with the tele concept. The very first step is to creation of company. We are going to understand all the concepts of tele one by one. So the very first step is creation of company. Create company. Go to the create company, press enter, then press the name. So in this company, I am going to add on my institute name, that will be my company name. Okay, address I am putting here. So as you, whatever you can see here, each and every word has a meaning, and each and every word has their explanation. So we will do one by one. So first of all, we are going to do the company creation. So as you can see here, that we have put on first company name, then mailing name would be like whatever you are putting in company name, it would be same as mailing name. But yeah, if you want to change, then you can change it. And but whenever you will print your invoice, the mailing name will be presented here. So if you want to put something different, then you can put here. And the very important thing, where your cursor is going and where it is blinking, that means you can do editing. Okay, so now you can see here whatever I want to do, I have done. Like state, country, pin code, mobile number, fax number, if you have, then put it, email, website, and the financial year and the books beginning. That means when your financial year beginning of your organization, of your business. For current organization, if you are opening your current, that means your financial year would be 1st of April 2021 to 31st March 2022. And that is very obvious, whenever your financial year starts, your books will be start from the same year. But sometime it may be changed, like if you are going to start up your business, or even you are start to record your books from the October, but your financial year will be start from 1st of April, so your books beginning from would be your 1st of October. So don't get confused between April and October. If it is started from that month, then you can be you could be put here whatever month is your starting, otherwise it would be remain same. Okay, and the, yeah, we have skipped this one. What is this? This is the path, this is the location where your company will be saved, will be recorded. Okay, so this is the path in C drive, in the user folder, then subfolder of public, then subfolder teleadmin, and the finally subfolder of data. It would be like your company will be existed under the data. So televolt password, if you want to put any kind of security, any kind of password, then you can put here by putting yes, yes, and password should be as per your convenient. And the very important thing is here, that if you forget your password, then you can't be able to recover your password. That means if you forget your password, then please forget your company data as well, because there is no other option to recover your data. Like whatever you are using If I talk about Gmail, Facebook, they have their if you forget your password of Gmail, then you have other option, then you can recover your password by using their some techniques. But in this you cannot recover your data. Okay, then put only that password that you can be remembered. Okay, so and this is what these all are the currency symbol, formal name, whatever you want to put you can change here. Okay, if you want to like if I'm putting other country name here, like I'm putting Indonesia, so as per Indonesia the currency symbol would be changed, so it will taken automatically. But still if you want to change that, I have already told you where your cursor is going and where it is blinking, that means you can do any kind of changes. So if you want to change, then go change it, but otherwise it is a whatever it is convenient for that country, it will be come automatically. Yeah, formal name is INR. And if I talk about the suffix symbol to amount, suffix means we have two type of things, that one is prefix, another is suffix. Suffix means whenever you put your symbol, they are asking suffix symbol to amount. That means if you want to put your symbol uh, after your amount, then put it yes here, otherwise no. Okay, and prefix means it may be before of your amount, symbol may be before of your amount, but they have no option for prefix, but I have told you about the prefix and suffix. Okay, so add space between amount and symbol. If you want to put spaces between amount and symbol, then put it yes, otherwise no. Okay, we have put no suffix symbol to amount. If you want to put yes, then press Y only and enter, it will take an automatically yes. Then if you want to show amount in millions, as in always means if you are putting in amount in thousand, then it will convert into millions and it will show you in a point something 001,000 something like this. That means it will be converted into millions. So number of decimal places, how much, like maximum you can put only 4. If I am putting 5 here, then it will not be acceptable. You can see here there is error, the number of decimal places cannot be more than 4. So generally we use 2, but maximum we can put here 4. And after decimal, what is representing, that is very obvious, paisa. If I talk about the 10 rupees and 22 paisa, then how will you represent it? 10.22, that means 10 rupees and 22 is a paisa. And after, if I talk about in words, that means number of decimal places for amount in words would be 2 also. So it would be like whatever you are giving decimal places, it will be represented in words, and in words it would be obviously 2. Yeah, maximum here is also 4, 5 it will not be acceptable. So 2 will be here. So accepted, yes, I want to accept it here, and accept. And the shortcut key for accept is Control plus A. Now they are demanding for password because we have put the assignment, we have put the password, so I am putting my password here. Okay, now my company has opened, my company is created. So what they are demanding, they are asking they are showing us all about the company's feature. What does it mean? These all are the feature of company, and it will remain same for all over the tally. Yes, this is the feature. If you can see here, something is yes and something is no, but as per your basic tally, it's a very yes here. And whatever we will proceed with next step of tally, with advanced, with professional, with complete tally, so we will do one by one all the concepts of tally by putting yes here, and by understanding all the concept in the theory as well as practical. So don't get confused, whatever is yes, just put it save here. For a time being, I am accepting Control plus A. So now congratulations, we have successfully created our company, that is eCreators Computer Institute. Yes, right. So now you can see here we have company, data, exchange, import, export, email, print, go to, gateway of tally, something date, some current period, company, what is all that we will do one by one in our next preceding video. don't panic, don't get any kind of burden. We will do one by one, in which you will be understandable each and every concept of Tally with theory as well as practical. So if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe my channel, then you will be able to see all the concepts of Tally in very deep. If you have any kind of query, any kind of questions, any kind of issues, then please do comments, or you can directly WhatsApp on that number which I have shown you earlier. Okay, take care.